If you are here to read a genuine Ultimate Small Shop Guide review, this blog will give respect to your valuable time you took to read this article. Ultimate Small Shop eBook is an inclusive program to help people who are planning to set up a woodworking shop. Ralph's eBook on building a woodworking shop is the innovative program which will help people to complete their project by using some best tools and simple techniques. Ralph Chapman is a professional woodworker and has been working as a woodworker for more than 25 years. He already helped many people to build their small shops and stores at a small budget. After reading the Ultimate Small Shop Guide by Ralph Chapman, now I can say that the book is an excellent resource and a complete guide for both experienced and inexperienced woodworkers. People like me who are looking for such courses and interested in business courses might most probably be interested in reading this ebook. Today there is no doubting that this ebook is widespread. It looks to be completely over the woodworking internet. In this Ultimate Small Shop Guide review, I am going to explain each of its pros and cons in detail. Ultimate Small Shop eBook, a complete woodworking guide. The Ultimate Small Shop PDF describes all the common problem in detail that woodworkers have to face or deal with in their daily life. Some common worries such as right tool selection, small space to work, shop layout selection, panic at work if bad tools used, heating, cooling, ventilation problem etc. can be easily handled. The Ultimate Small Shop eBook offers complete guidance to woodworkers to set up their own workshop. According to the Ultimate Small Shop Guide reviews from its previous users, there are hundreds of pages in the book that describe strategies, advice, instructions, price guides, and other important resources. Ralph's Woodworking Shop Guide could be the leading book available today. Ultimate Small Shop eBook program is appropriate for everyone who loves woodworking. I certainly recommend this ebook to other readers and recommend it to new woodworkers, mainly because it will resonate better with them. Ultimate Small Shop Book Modules. The Ultimate Small Shop eBook has various modules. Each module describes different strategies that will help woodworkers who are setting up a workshop. How Ultimate Small Shop eBook helps set up a small shop. Woodworkers either experienced or inexperienced, having any capability and level will surely find the usefulness of this course. The useful techniques and illustrative diagrams available in the book helped a lot in setting up my workshop. After purchasing the Ultimate Small Shop course by Ralph Chapman, you will get well-drafted, clearly mentioned plans for building up your small woodworking shop. You are going to get a full plan and complete step-by-step instructions on how to build, shape, and construct a small wood workshop. This one book improved my confidence level to new heights and made me proud of myself. You can also do the same. Just all you need to do is to follow each and every instruction carefully, and you will definitely able to build your workshop on your own. I experienced a lot of difference between Ralph's Woodworking ebook and the rest other books available in the market. My Ultimate Small Shop Guide review finds that this is a thorough and comprehensive book which not just deliver quantity but also quality as well. The Ultimate Small Shop book can support you entirely finish your job. Doesn't matter how much tough it is, as you will be instructed in each step. All ebook covers tools, material, detailed construction, snapshots, 3D drawings, cutting list, and shopping references. The guide shows you all what you need to organize and do to complete your work on time. Ultimate Small Shop pros and cons. Pros: woodworkers and other people who had purchased the Ultimate Small Shop Guide will be experiencing much easier to set up their workshop. The book is written by a very experienced woodworker who has been practicing for more than 25 years. It covers each and every important point that you should know. The language used is really very straightforward and quite simple, therefore no problem to understand the wording. Taking print out of the Ultimate Small Shop book is also quite easy. According to Ultimate Small Shop book reviews, both inexperienced and professional woodworkers can practice this book. Cons: however, Ultimate Small Shop free download course is the best one selling in the present market. But nothing is completely perfect. The only drawback I experienced with this book is that it is having hundreds of pages which can take a while to read and understand it completely. You have to spend a little time to read all the modules and materials which are